What's up, YouTube? It's Moonry here, and I'm going to teach you how to change a character's skin tone. So, to start this, you will want to use the quick selection tool, and then boom, wrong one, boom, and get all the parts that you want the color to change that. So for me, of course, it's going to be all of here. Alright, it's looking good. These parts right here as well. And of course, I'm not making it perfect. I'm just giving you guys the idea. And, watch out for the eyes as well. I want the eyes to change. Not yet, at least. I think that should be good right now. And like I said, it's not going to be perfect. I'm just giving you guys the idea. So, boom, here you have it. Make another layer and choose any skin tone that you want. I'm going to go for this one right here. And then boom. And after that, just go right here and press multiply and you're done. That's it. And of course, I didn't do it perfect. So you see the little parts where you can kind of fix a little bit. It's either you perfect it or you can just, right over it. Like that. And boom. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. That's how you change the character's skin tone. If this video helped you, you'll leave a like, subscribe, and let me know if you wanna any more help with any other videos. But that's it. Peace out. Hope you guys have a good one.